Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front passenger knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.